a Stitch Fix box today. I got it yesterday night. I didn't get home till like real late from work. So we're doing it this morning before I go to work. Let's just get right into it. Stitch Fix styling service. $20 per box unless you get the styling pass, which is $49 a box, or not $49 a box. It's $49 for the whole year. They just offer it to you randomly. So yeah, they send you 5 items. You pick what you like. You send everything else back in the prepaid mailer. You know, more in the description below. If you haven't tried Stitch Fix and you want to try it, please consider using my referral code. I'll link that down below as well. For this fix, I kind of just asked my stylist, Allie, like, you know, what's trending for fall? What's going on? Any like cool necklaces that are trending for fall? So she sent me some. Yeah, she sent me one. So let's read my note. Let me drink my iced coffee. You guys like the color of my iced coffee? Well, okay, so the bottle's blue, but like, who puts a lot of creamer in their coffee like me? If anyone wants to know, this cute little bottle, like, look at that cute little butterfly. This is from Walmart, Pioneer Woman Collection, comes in a 4-pack. Okay, I wetted my whistle. Happy Fix Day, Rachel, and welcome to your 22nd fix. I'm so happy we got another 5 for 5. Wah! And I loved watching your video. Thanks for watching, Allie. Sorry about the pants. They definitely looked like they were pull-on from my end. That's okay. But glad they still worked out for you. Since those weren't really pull-on, and since you're looking for some new fall trends, I started you off with a unique pair of Capri Pants by Tribal. The lace hem really makes these fun for work. Pair with heeled booties and a beige cardigan for a cute fall look. I have a beige cardigan. Yeah, I'll have to try that on for the try-on. I actually got a beige cardigan from Poshmark that I know is a cardigan that Stitch Fix sends. So I was really excited about that. For a fun pop of fall color, I included the mustard yellow cardigan by PINQUE, P-I-N-Q-U-E. For necklace trends, right now is all about contrasting colors. Pair the turquoise necklace by MARLYN SCHIFF with the yellow pieces in your wardrobe or over the cheetah sweater in your last fix. I also got a bit adventurous and sent a bodysuit. XO Allie. I am excited to try the bodysuit because I've never tried one before. We'll see how that goes. So, yeah. What? Let's see. Am I in focus? Is my ring light like shining on my glasses weird? I don't know. We'll figure it out. So, oh sorry, I unwrapped it before I showed you. Look, it came in this cute little wrap for the jewelry. Stitch Fix. Ooh, pretty. Okay. So, I think she said it's like a Y necklace. Of course, it's going to come a little tangled. Okay, I untangled it. So, look at that. It's got kind of like the pretty turquoise there. It'll focus in on that and not me. That's okay. And then it comes down like that. So that's really pretty. We'll try that on. Put that in the box so we don't tangle it up again. It looks like it came with a card for the, it might be MARLYN. It's spelled MARLYN, M-A-R-L-Y-N, but it came with like a little card, if I can focus in on it. So, shout out to MARLYN, if it's MARLYN or Marilyn, sorry. And, main event here, bundle. I'm so ready for fall. This dress that I'm wearing right now, I got my Stitch Fix like last December, I think. And it's 9 Britain, and I really love it too. So I'm wearing that to work today because I gotta go to work later. I'm starting late today. So, anyway. Let's do it. Ooh, they really wrapped this guy. Girl, whatever. Alright. Let's see. So this first one is the bodysuit. And It is the Sophie Rhiannon Knot Front Rib Knit Bodysuit in pink. So it's got cute, like, kind of V-neck there, kind of twisty. You can see the twisty. And then it goes all the way down to the bottom. It's got some snaps there. So, yeah, am I going to feel like a baby when I wear it because of the snaps? Probably. But, you know, we're going to try it. It's a really pretty color. It's kind of like a dusty mauve kind of pink. And then this, ooh, so, okay. This is a dress. And it is the KAILEIGH Arnett Faux Wrap Knit Dress in navy. And it's almost like, almost reminiscent of like a cheetah print kind of thing. So it's like the navy and then just beige, like, for the pattern there. So that's pretty. It's got that faux wrap detail under the bust, and like it's got that tie there that doesn't really do anything because it's faux. But that's pretty. Okay, so the issue I have with like the faux wrap dresses is I have like a large chest, so I always feel like my boobs just spill out of these. But she sized up on it for me, so that's good. So maybe that'll just like cover enough. We'll see. I'm really excited about this one because we all know that I peeked already at my box, as I always do, but next box I'm not going to, and I'll tell you why later. Alright, so this is the pink, P-I-N-Q-U-E, Jamelya back detail cardigan in mustard. Alright, so from the front, you know, just kind of looks like regular everyday cardigan, but bam! Look at that back. Look how cute that is. I really like it. So, that's really cool. I'm excited. It's like a really, it's kind of a stretchy knit, so it feels like it's going to be like really cozy. And the front, well, you'll see it. You'll see it later when I try it on. Anyway, last thing is the pull-on pants. And, look at that stretch. Are these real pockets? They are. Yeah, buddy. Real pockets. Okay. So, this one is the Tribal Fia Lace Hem Capri in Cobalt. Alright, so let's get to that hem. Look at. Look how cute that is. That is really pretty. Fun fact, this color was the color of my bridesmaids' dresses about 7.5 years ago. Look how cute. Alright. Everything's really, really cool. Let me get to that try-on for you. And if anyone is interested, here is the 9 Britain dress that I'm wearing today to work. So, super cute. I love this pattern for fall. I'll try to remember to link the name of it down below if you wanted to request it. I don't know if it's still available because I got it like almost a year ago, but check it out if it is. Or you could find it on Poshmark maybe. I'm on Poshmark too. I think I'm eyebrow06 is my Poshmark, same as my Instagram, but let's get to the try on. First we have the cardigan. Super cute. It actually looks really cute with this dress. On the style card, it had it paired with like a dress. Kind of like this kind of pattern. So yeah, here's the back. If I can move my camera enough, you can see the back. I don't know if you could see it, but it's got that cute crisscross in the back. I really like this one. This is a size large, so I think it fits pretty well. I don't know, sometimes I like my cardigans to be like a little more oversized, but it fits my arms really well. Ooh, I'm really weird, I'm sorry. So, yeah, this one's really cute. It doesn't have pockets though, which isn't a necessity, but like, you know, everyone loves pockets. And it's kind of got like the higher hemline than in the back. It's got that nice split right there, but good length. Yeah, I think that's cute. I think it's cute. That's a maybe. I'm not in love with it. But it's a maybe. So this one is kind of giving me like 1940s vibes. I actually really like this. Don't know if I'd wear it to work unless I had like a cami under it, because again, large chest. So, you know, that's like 2 inches of cleavage right there. If anyone didn't know, you can measure 2 inches usually by the length of your thumb, and that's about 2 inches. But I really, really like it. I like this color. I like just the beige, like it's really simple with just the 2 colors. It's got the nice swing. It goes right to my knee. That's really cute. Yeah, I like this one. It's got the faux tie there. Yeah, guys. Ah, I really like this. It's cute. I feel like I could go to like a 1940s party thing with it. So it had it paired with a jean jacket on the style card. So let me put that on real quick too. So the jean jacket they had paired with it was a little more of like a medium blue wash. This is a darker one, but that's cute for fall. Super cute. No. I say super cute a lot. Yeah. Oh! Okay, I like this dress better than the cardigan right now. But how many times would I wear this dress versus that cardigan? I don't know. If I'm not wearing it to work, I don't think I'd wear it just like on a weekend. I'd probably only wear it for something special. I don't know. Thinking to do. So, definitely not a 5 for $5 box, as this is too tight. Too tight. It's in a large. I have really large chest, obviously. So this wouldn't even snap down. But these are some cute jeans I got. They're the 1822 brand. I just wanted to feature those too, because it had it paired with like some distressed denim. I got these at Marshall's or like TJ Maxx. Very cute. Anyway, I like the color. Positive things. I like the color. I like the twist. I like the V-neck. Don't like the way it fits, obviously. I like the idea of like a bodysuit and like tucking it in and being cute and, you know, whatever. But also, if you can see, I don't know if you can tell, it's kind of like discolored right here. So that's not good. Let me see if I can zoom in on it. Yeah, like right there. I don't know. Anyway, discolored. So even if I did like it, I'd have to send it back, just for that fact right there. Like this whole area, if you can see. Which is weird, because like this is the first time I've ever had anything from Stitch Fix that had like a flaw like that. Anyway, getting out of this, too tight, feel like I'm suffocating. Alright, so here we have the necklace. We'll get in on that. I guess I can still stand back here and just zoom in on it. So that's cute. I might wear it up a little higher with like a shirt like this, because it's an adjustable neck. That's cute. Don't know that I love it. Sometimes necklaces like this on me, because again, my larger chest. Sorry, camera battery died. Sometimes necklaces like this on me, because of my larger chest, they fall weird. So unless like my shirt was way up here, I don't know. It's a really pretty color though. I like the teal. And then here we have the pants with the cute lace detail there. Very cute. It's supposed to be a capri, so it's supposed to be like a little shorter like that. I like the color. I feel like the only things I could wear with it though would be like black and, you know, beige. She said to pair with a beige cardigan, which does look cute with it. Kind of tones the blue down. They're comfy and they have the pockets. They're kind of sewn shut a little bit right now. I don't know. Do I look like the girl from Willy Wonka? With the violet, you're turning violet, Violet? I don't know. So, alright. Let's recap. We'll go over prices. Okay, friends. So, good fix. I didn't love anything except for that dress, but I have to think about like how often am I going to wear something. Let me turn on my ring light. I have to think about how often I'm going to wear something, and I just don't think I'm going to wear it more than a handful of times if I'm not wearing it to work, you know. I don't want that kind of attention at work. So, the MARLYN SCHIFF Genie Enamel Y necklace in light blue, which was like a turquoise. $28. $28 for that necklace. That's not bad if you love it. I didn't love it. I'm more of like just a round necklace person. I know that's like what's in trend right now. And I do like the long necklaces too, but just not that one right now. But thank you for sending it, Allie. And next is the Tribal Fia Lace Hem Capri in Cobalt. $58. So I just bought that other $58 pair of pants for work, so I don't think I'm going to get those. I did like the lace detail. Wasn't super crazy about the color for the pants. I would like it in like a shirt or something though. KAILEIGH Arnett Faux Wrap Knit Dress in Navy, $54. So that's not bad for that kind of dress either. I would pay that. Like I'd wear it to a wedding or like an event or something. It's a really nice feeling material. The pink Jamelya back detail cardigan in mustard is $46. I liked it. If I kept that one, I got in a size large. If I kept it, I might size up to an extra large just because I like a little roomier. So we'll see if that's available. And then the SOPHIE Rhiannon knot front rib knit. Forgot what it's called. What is that called? Anyway, where is my thing? What is that called, you guys? A bodysuit. Duh. Oh my god. Okay. The bodysuit. That was too small. Wouldn't even snap. Like, I couldn't, like, stretch it over my, you know, chest and stomach and hips and whatnot. That was a large, so I definitely needed bigger than that. $42 for that. I loved the color. I think that's a really, really nice color on me. Not to toot my own horn, but beep beep. $42. So, the box total, $228. 25% off would make it $171. So, the whole box would have been $171. So, I got some thinking to do. I think the only thing that I might keep would be that cardigan, because I really like that color. I know that's really in for fall. I like it. Yeah. Thanks so much for watching, you guys. Next video, I'm going to get in a couple, well, next fix I'm going to get in a couple weeks, doing that collab with Jill from What Jill Wears, where we're going to do like celebrity inspirations. So she's writing my note, I'm writing hers, so look out for that in a couple weeks. I think I'm going to get my box on the 24th, if that date is available, is what we agreed on. I talk really fast right now because I've, again, been drinking my iced coffee. Anyway, please like this video if you liked it, and subscribe if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. Thank you all the subscribers who subscribed from my last video. I think we got like, well, I got like 100 more subscribers from my last video. I really appreciate it, you guys. I love making these videos for you. Again, if you haven't tried Stitch Fix, use my referral code below if you could, and I will see you guys next time.